Now, after JAMB exam, why are many of you still confused about your JAMB result? I don't know why I keep getting messages about how confused you are. You don't know whether the result is out. You don't know how to check it and all the rest. So I'm making this video for you to give you the authentic information. I need you to just give me your attention right now. You have written your JAMB exam and you are finding all means to check your result and it's not been going. You have been asking questions and you are afraid that perhaps there is an issue with your JAMB score. So just pay attention as I guide you, give you the official information, official way to check your JAMB results. The method is just simple. The method is just straight ahead, and this is what you need to do. At this point, the 2025 JAMB result are not yet out. I'm making this video on the 7th. Today is Wednesday. The 2025 JAMB results are not yet out. Of course, JAMB has come here. Let me show you so that you know. I keep telling you, JAMB has released an official statement telling us that distribution of percentages of how people were able to perform in this year's JAMB, right? Majority scored, 70% scored below, 75% scored below 200, right? Only about 25% were able to score 200 and above. But your portion, and I still want you to claim it, I keep saying all the subscribers, all those watching our video should keep claiming that nothing will stop you from succeeding this year. You will score 300 and above. Claim it again. You will score 300 and above. Claim it with all your faith. Type it in the comment section. Claim it with all your heart, with all your faith, with all your mind. And not just typing I claim it. Believe it. Believe it, even if others don't believe, even if others are panicking. So let me give you the real information. The cautious 2025 JAMB results are not yet out. For now, the result is not yet out. Be cautious of fake news and scammers. There is a lot of news on Google, on social media platforms, Facebook and all the rest, telling you they have seen the JAMB result. That is a lie. That is fake. If the result is out, I'm going to be the first person to tell you. Only trust updates from the official JAMB website. You should know the JAMB website. jamb.gov.ng, www.jamb.gov.ng. You can go there. That's where you should get authentic information, and also in their Twitter handle. You should just chat JAMB official handle on Twitter. You should be able to follow them on Twitter. Know the correct information. And the correct information right now is that your result is not ready. When it is ready, you are going to know. For now, it is not ready. Trust only update from the official JAMB website. Stay calm. In fact, somebody help me to type under the comment section. Use trumpet. Say it in the comment section. Say, tell everybody, stay calm. We will notify. In this our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, we're going to notify you once the result drops. Once the result drops, we are going to be aware and we are going to tell you. I've done several videos on how you can check your JAMB result. If you need me to guide you, give you the link and the code. If you need the link and the code to check your result, let me know. You've done your best. Right now, you have done the one in your hand. You've done the one in your hand. What you need now is faith. Pray. You've done your best, so relax and wait with confidence. Relax and be confident as you wait for your exam. For your result. Now, for you to, if you have not learned how to check your result, there are two methods. Let me share the first method. Is you can check it with a code. Just go to your messenger app. Once the result is out, type UTME RESULT. UTME RESULT. Type it in capital letter and send it to this phone number. Send it to this phone number, this particular number, 55019 or 66019. 55019 or 66019. Just get your messenger app, type type UTME RASULT in capital letters without giving gap, then press forward, send it to this number. That place you normally write a phone number when you are sending message. You should simply write type 55019 or 66019. Once you send it to this JAMB code, within a twinkle of an eye, your JAMB result should be on your screen. That is when the result is out. Of course, I've told you when the result is out, I'm going to let you know. Remember also that this message is not free. JAMB will send you a reply SMS containing your UTME scores for each subject taken. It's just like when you press a code to check your data balance or your account balance. Within a few seconds, it will be sent to you as a text message. That is the same way. Once you send UTME RASULT to that number 55019 or 66019, once you press send, you will receive a text message after like few seconds or few minutes. They will charge you, they will cut 15 naira from your balance, like the credit on your phone. So ensure you have up to 100 naira on your phone. Once you send it, they will charge you that amount and you will see your result without any waste of time. That is the method to check with code. But if you don't want to check with code, because with code you will just see the result on your phone, but you will not be able to print it out. You will also need a printout after checking it on your phone. If you want a printout, just use your Android phone and check. Visit the JAMB facility portal. Open your browser like your Chrome or your Firefox that you use in browsing. Then type this link. If you need me to send you the link, let me know so I can send it to you. Remember, as you're watching this video, I want your heart to be strong. Nothing will stop you from scoring high. This is your year to get admission. This is your year to enter school. You will not spend extra 1 year. Claim it. Type I claim it. You will be among those that your efforts will not be in vain. So you can see the link on the screen. https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng/login. Can you see it? This is on your already on the screen. Once you are there, once you click on it, you enter your login details. You will need to provide your email address and your password. Anything they need, you already have it. These are the things you got while you were registered. Your email address, of course you have it. Your password you use, of course you have it. If you have issue with your email address or your password or the code or anything, feel free to tell me immediately, even before the result is out or after the result is out, so that I can start guiding you early enough. If you send me a message and I don't reply, please keep sending, keep checking. There are quite thousands of messages being sent, so keep sending. Access your result. Once you click on that link, this particular link, and input your details, just click on check UTME result. You will see it on the screen. And once you click on it, within a twinkle of an eye, once the result is released and your own is not withheld, it will be on the screen. This is how to check your JAMB result. If you have any question, let me know. If you are trying it and it's not working, let me know. If you have a friend trying it and it's not working, let me know. If you have any question, ask me. That is if you're a member of our YouTube channel. To become a member, click on join. You can see the join button on the screen. Click on it and become a member of our YouTube channel. Remember, you should like this video. Click on like right now. Click on share this video. Click on share it here on YouTube, share it on WhatsApp, share the link on all platforms. Then finally, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe. Once you subscribe, once you join, once you like, once you share, you are free to share with me all your challenges and all your questions. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.